USB hub with hard drive enclosure. Designed for Mac Mini. This model features 2 hard drive slots. For NVMe and the other one is for SATA. It looks beautiful. These are USB Type-C A and B. We got a USB Type-C cables included. Type A to Type-C, screws, screwdriver. I'm going to install the SSD from SK, NVMe, Lexa SSD. There are very tiny screws included. This one has already been opened. It's 240 GB. I think this rubber plug is supposed to be used to hold it in place. Now let's put the cover back. After inserting it for the first time, initialization is required. Let's just name it 1 TB. As APFS file system is everything as default into erase. And this one is the Gold P31 SSD hard drive. Done. I'm going to use the Blackmagic app as my speed testing method. I'm going to select the target drive as the 1 TB SSD from SK. All right, let's do this. Target and make sure the stress testing is 5GB selected. Okay, keep in mind this drive is rated at 1000 MB per second. But due to the limitation of the M.1 chip, this dock can only take 600 megabytes per second. So it's really a limitation there and not necessarily the SD card, SSD. Okay, let's try the other one, the SSD SATA 240 GB from Lexa. On this dock. Let's try that. It is slower. Let's write and read. Anyway, I'm so happy that I have this dock. So much easier to use thanks to these SD card ports and additional USB Type 3 and 3.1. Blinks when the file is being transferred.